Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to see who logged into your Facebook account. So let's get started. So if you want to check if someone has logged into your Facebook account, so to do that what you can do is just simply open up your Facebook. After opening up your Facebook, just tap on the profile icon which is on the top right, then tap on the gear icon which is also in the top right, and then tap on account center. And after tapping on account center, now what you can do is just simply tap on this option which is password and security. After tapping on password and security, just tap on where you have logged in and then select your Facebook profile. And after selecting your Facebook profile, now you can find the active device that your account has been logged into and some other devices that you have logged in. So now if you want to remove those devices, then what you can do is just tap on select device to log out, and after doing that, just select the devices that you want to log out and then tap on log out. And after tapping on log out, you just have to enter your account's password, and after entering your account's password, they will be successfully logged out. But if you are facing a problem while logging out, then what you can do is just simply change your Facebook's password, and after changing your Facebook password, what will happen is it will ask you if you want to add these changes to every single devices that has been logged into. So what you can do is just simply cancel it, and by doing that you can easily log out your Facebook account from every other devices that had been logged into. So that's it guys, this is how to see who logged into your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.